To the Strive AI tutorial on factors. So first, what are factors? Factors is a word we coined, but it's essentially when we do all the data analytics on your performance data is the first example I'm going to show you. That tells us things about your, what's impacting, to keep it a little bit nerdy here. If I say a target variable of your heart rate over 60 minutes, what variables are having a high positive impact and which ones are having a high negative impact, right? So we show you in any of our factors views here, like this is an example of one, we show you the top 7 variables based on the weight of that variable and then which direction is it going. Is it hurting your peak heart rate over 60 minutes or is it helping it, right? So in this example, pretty interesting, not super innovative, but you can see for weight training, my heart rate doesn't go up very high for 60 minutes, right? It's not an intense cardio activity, so that makes sense. Virtual rides and rides definitely do. For whatever reason, the weight gain that I've had, as we enter into winter is having, it's lowering my heart rate. It's probably, like I'm not pushing myself as hard as I normally do, right? Now, if I go to a power one, here's another interesting insight. For me on short power for 1 minute, virtual ride type, which, we look at activity type and we look at all the other variables, right? Virtual ride is a negative while ride is a positive for short power, and then it's the opposite for longer power, right? So for whatever reason, the way that I'm riding, I'm doing better outside when I'm doing punchy climbs, and then I'm doing better for a longer period of time on the trainer. So let me show you one other interesting thing about this. So if not this is a visual view of what the weight of the variable and which direction it is. So green ones are good, red ones are bad. But if I click on this and I take that, then it's taking me to another screen that's comparing that variable, virtual ride, to the variable that's in question, the bike power, right? So this is just, was it a virtual ride or was it not a virtual ride? So you can see where I was really setting my super high 1 minute power, it was not a virtual ride, right? Places where I was setting these powers, it was a virtual ride. And you can do that for any of the variables, right? If you look at temperature or distance, altitude, you have the ability to see that variable isolated against the variable that's the target. And that's how you can get a visual sense of what our analytics have told you. So that's what a factor is. Now, there are other factors in the system. If I take you over to the segments, we calculate the factors because we're intending on predicting segment PRs. So we kind of need to know about what variables are making a material impact on your performance there. So obviously power is the biggest positive and weight is the biggest negative on any kind of segment. Probably the downhill ones, the weight will probably be a higher one, but or be a positive one. So this is a visual view of what the data science is telling us, and we just wanted to be able to initially give you that feedback. Before we start doing predictions with it, we wanted to also give you the feedback. And then the thing that's coming, if I go back to peaks, you'll see, just like we have click-throughs here to get each type of threshold, we're going to have click-throughs here to get you to different types of factors, right? So we're going to start pulling in data from outside of Strava. All this data is coming off your Garmin or your Wahoo head units. We're going to start bringing in other data like the weather, which we already bring in, like data from Apple Health, like maybe you use a Moxie or you use a Ember device. We'd have the data there. As long as you authorize us to look at it, we'll be able to tell you, is blood oxygen making a material impact on your performance? Is muscle oxygen? That's the big thing that we're going for in this. And then in turn, we use it to do some interesting predictions. So that's what a factor is. Thanks for listening.